Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Hopefully, you are in a good condition. And let's begin our lesson. Before we start our study, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Oke, students. Hari ini kita akan melanjutkan pembelajaran kemarin tentang kalimat sebab akibat. Kalimat sebab dan akibat atau cause and effect. Seperti yang kita tahu, untuk menyatakan sebab akibat yang kita lebih kenal atau lebih umum dipakai, biasanya kita menggunakan because. For example, because the weather was nice, I went to the zoo. Because the weather was nice, I went to the zoo. Karena cuacanya cerah, aku pergi ke kebun binatang. Jadi sebabnya cuacanya cerah, akibatnya aku pergi ke kebun binatang. Nah, untuk menyatakan kalimat sebab akibat, kita tidak hanya menggunakan kata because, tetapi bisa menggunakan kata so that and such that. Oke, jadi untuk menyatakan kalimat sebab akibat, kita bisa menggunakan kata so, that, dan such that. Di sini ada blank. Kita akan cari tahu blank di sini bisa diisi sama apa. Oke, sebelum kita bahas itu, silakan lihat dialognya. Look at this dialogue. Jadi ada dialog antara Shani and Gracia. Hi Gracia. Hi Shani. What's up? Have you heard the news? Kamu udah dengar belum beritanya? Berita apa? Our classmates, teman sekelas kita, Siska, will represent our country to compete in International Chemistry Olympiad. Katanya Siska akan merepresentasikan negara kita untuk berkompetisi di ajang Olimpiade Internasional dalam bidang chemistry atau kimia. Are you serious? Beneran kamu? Wow, that's cool. Keren banget. Kata Shani, she is such a smart student that she can be our country's representative. Si Siska atau dia pelajar yang pintar, pelajar yang cerdas, sehingga atau akibatnya dia bisa menjadi representatif negara kita. I heard that she has been being trained by excellent chemistry teachers from Jakarta. Aku dengar dia sudah dilatih dengan guru-guru kimia terbaik dari Jakarta. Then, no wonder she is so busy that she always goes home early now. Percaya sih, atau bisa ditebak, dia sibuk sehingga dia selalu pulang ke rumah lebih dulu. Oke. Dari dialog ini, perhatikan kalimat yang Miss garis bawahi dan Miss tebalkan. She is such a smart student that she can be our country's representative, and she is so busy that she always goes home early. Okay. Let's check in the next slide. Okay. Di sini ada penjelasan sedikit. So and such are used to express a consequence. Jadi, so, kalimat so dan such digunakan untuk mengekspresikan sebuah konsekuensi atau akibat. Contohnya tadi diambil dari dialognya Shani and Gracia. She is so busy that she always goes home early now. She is so busy that she always goes home early now. Dia sibuk sehingga dia selalu pulang ke rumah lebih dulu, lebih cepat. So busy that. Lanjut, kalimat yang kedua. She is such a smart student that she can be our country's representative. She is such a smart student that she can be our country's representative. Dia pelajar yang cerdas, sehingga dia bisa menjadi representatif negara kita, perwakilan negara kita. Such a smart student that. Such a smart student that. Sedangkan so busy that. Sudah berasa ada perbedaan untuk menggunakan so, that, dan such, that. Di antara so dan that ada busy. Di antara such dan that ada a smart student. Apa ya perbedaannya? Sebelum kalian berdiskusi tentang perbedaan penggunaan antara so dan such, Miss akan memberikan beberapa contoh kalimat menggunakan so that dan such that. Okay? There are some examples of using so. This book was so boring that I couldn't finish it. This book was so boring that I couldn't finish it. Bukunya membosankan, sehingga saya nggak bisa menyelesaikannya. Atau bukunya sangat membosankan, akibatnya aku nggak bisa menyelesaikannya. So that di sini bisa berarti akibatnya atau sebabnya atau konsekuensinya. Okay, you got my point? So boring that. Next. She was so tired that she fell asleep in the armchair. She was so tired that she fell asleep in the armchair. Dia ngantuk. Dia capek sehingga dia tertidur di kursi. So tired that. So boring that. Kira-kira boring sama tired ini termasuk golongan kalimat apa ya? Golongan kata apa ya? Next. He speaks so quickly that I can't understand him. He speaks so quickly that I can't understand him. Dia berbicara cepat, terlalu cepat, sehingga aku nggak ngerti apa yang dia bilang. Dia berkata dengan cepat, sehingga saya tidak paham, saya tidak memahami dia. He speaks so quickly that. So quickly that. Lanjut. My friend walked so slowly that he couldn't keep up with me. My friend walked so slowly that he couldn't keep up with me. Teman saya berjalan dengan lambat, akibatnya dia tidak bisa mengejar saya. So slowly that. so quickly that. Dia bicara dengan cepat. Dia, teman saya, berjalan dengan lambat. Slowly and quickly. Termasuk golongan kata apa ya mereka? Lanjut. There were so many people smoking in the room that I had to leave. There were so many people smoking in the room that I had to leave. Tempatnya banyak yang ngerokok, banyak orang yang ngerokok di ruangan sehingga saya harus pergi. There were so many people smoking in the room. So many people. Banyak orang, sangat banyak orang merokok di ruangan sehingga atau akibatnya saya harus pergi. Okay? So many people. What about this sentence? She has so little money that she can't buy a book. Dia punya sedikit uang, sehingga dia tidak bisa membeli sebuah buku. Dia punya sedikit uang, akibatnya she can't buy a book. Dia nggak bisa beli buku. Little and many. Slowly and quickly. Tired and boring. Okay. Jadi ada syarat-syarat apa sih? So, kalimat apa sih so itu? So itu ketemunya kata apa aja? Tadi ada contohnya, ada boring, tired, quickly, slowly, many, and little. What about such? Such that. I'll give you some examples. It was such a foggy day that we couldn't see the road. Cuacanya foggy. Foggy is berkabut. It was such a foggy day. Harinya berkabut. Akibatnya, kita nggak bisa ngeliat jalanan. We couldn't see the road. Such a foggy day. Such a foggy day. Next, it is such a good film that I've watched it 3 times. It's such a good film that I've watched it 3 times. Filmnya bagus. Good. Akibatnya, aku nonton film itu 3 kali. Such a good film. Such a foggy day. Ada kesamaan? Next. It was such a big breakfast. It was such a big breakfast that I didn't eat anything else for the rest of the day. Jadi breakfast-nya itu banyak, big, banyak, besar. Akibatnya atau sehingga aku nggak makan apapun lagi sampai hari berakhir. Jadi such a big breakfast, such a big breakfast, such a good film, such a foggy day. Lanjut. It was such horrible weather. Horrible weather. Horrible means buruk. It was such horrible weather, jadi cuacanya buruk, sehingga we spend the whole day, kita menghabiskan waktu seharian di rumah. Cuacanya buruk, sehingga kita menghabiskan waktu seharian di rumah. Such horrible weather. Next. It was such a ridiculous story. Such a ridiculous story. Ceritanya lucu. Akibatnya kami nggak percaya. We didn't believe it. It was such a ridiculous story. Ridiculous tuh bisa lucu, bisa aneh. Jadi story-nya aneh, lucu. Akibatnya kami nggak percaya. Oke. Such a ridiculous story. Ridiculous story. Such horrible weather. That. Such a big breakfast. Such a good film. And such a foggy day. Apakah dari contoh-contoh such tersebut yang tadi Miss berikan ada kesamaan? Oke, apa sih yang bisa kita simpulkan dari penggunaan so, that, dan such, that? Silakan berdiskusi dengan kelompok kalian. You can discuss with your group about the conclusion in the comment section at daringkbs2122ingpm1.blogspot.com. Okay, see you there. I'll continue the video and we'll give the conclusion. Okay. Don't forget to give your comment. Don't forget to give your opinion in the comment section. So go there. Okay. See you later, guys. I'll continue the conclusion later. Bye.